Alright, here we go. I guess LeetCode daily problem first. Alright, let's see what we got. Dang, I forgot to do yesterday's daily problem. Let me see what yesterday's was. Partition array according to given pivot. Anyways, we missed that one, so let's see. Check if number is a sum of powers of 3. What the heck? How do we do that, man? Don't defense, what's happening? You coming in here with a type racer? Man, you can't do that. Ain't nobody here. We'll give it a few minutes before we do the type racer. Maybe after the daily. Alright, so let's go. Nah, man, you're gonna, that's like too easy of a championship. Oh, no condom Chris is here. Let's just go then. Alright, let's go, let's go. As long as there's some competition, you know. I don't think I'm enough competition for you. Hold up. Alright, YouTube. There's the link. Alright, first race warm-up, second race championship round. And I don't have type racer cam today. That camera is in use. Or I forgot to set it up. Too lazy. Dang, 108. Don't defense. Very nice. But that was just the warm-up, man. Q Ultimus is in the house. What's happening, Q? Alright. Championship race coming up, man. Oh. I'm extra tired today. I don't know what's going on. Alright. Championship round. So soon. Dang, that's a tough passage. Let me try it though. Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris 111. Oh, Pixel Pusher. Too late, man. This is the championship round. Don't defense, try to redeem it early, man. Alright. Anyways, so let's put that up there. 111 for No Condom Chris, aka Six-pack sexy. Always trailing behind don't defense now. Yeah. Has don't defense gotten faster since he's been type racing here? I'm not sure. It feels like it though. Look at that, 29 wins. I think I can overtake Sendal, but I cannot beat No Column Chris or Pixel Pusher. Yes, well, Sendal hasn't been around for some time. Hope he's doing alright. Anyways. That's why he can beat Sendal, yeah. Alright, back to the dang daily problem, man. So given an integer n, return true if it is possible to represent n as the sum of distinct powers of 3. Otherwise return false. An integer y is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that y is equal to x 3 to the x. So what's this? 10 million? So is this just two-sum, man? Do I just create a bunch of powers of 3s and then two-sum it? That's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to do that properly. I'll just do it in a while loop. So it's gonna be like, how do you do powers of 3? Is it 3 to the I, something like that? So this would be 3 to the 0. And then we gotta check like, if we get to a power of 3 that's greater than n, then we don't need that because it's too much anyways. So that's what I'm gonna try and do, man. Master Fool, what's happening? Welcome to the party. And then we just do a two-sum. So how can we do two-sum, man? Did we just hit them with a two-pointer technique? Does that work? Party people, yeah. Monday fun day. Yeah, it's not so fun for me today. Future Highway, how you doing? Welcome to the party. It can be the sum of multiple powers of 3. Oh, Pixel Pusher. Jeez. I see what you're saying, man. I didn't think it said... I can't read. I can't read. That's the problem. So let me... let me not do any of that dang two-sum stuff. Thought it was just like 2 of them. But now I see it's multiple. So then, is that like take it or leave it? How fat, like how many numbers is this gonna have in there? I don't know how to check 3 something, 3 to the power of something equals to, I just guess, man. What's 3 to the power of 10? 12. 20. Dang, that's too big. So I guess it's like take it or leave it then. Yeah, it looks like it will have 16 numbers at most. Or so, maybe 15. Yeah, looks like we'll have about 15 numbers, man. Looks like it's enough to just do a take it or leave it. Hepta5 in the house. How you doing? Should I make this look nice? like get all powers of 3 until n. Should I, you know, do something like that, man? I don't know why. Probably because I'm gonna post the solution, so I want it to be like readable. Alright, so to get all the powers of 3, and then we just do a take it or leave it, yeah? And do I even need to cache it when I do this because the inputs are going to be so low? I don't think so, but we can probably just do it anyways. No, wait, can I do a take it or leave it? Yeah, I can. So if we go out of bounds here, then, oh shit. I guess we need like a target. Oh. Yeah. And then if we go out of bounds, we got to return that target is equal to 0. Yeah. And then now, basically for every index in our powers of 3, we're just going to try and add it or not add it. So we'll be like, take or leave. So if the current number, so if power 3i is less than equal to the target, then we can try and take it. How do we do that? We just go to the next one and wait, I guess we can take multiple of the same thing, right? Like we don't have to just use it one time. Is that true? Well, they don't say we can, so I'll just assume we can. Stephen Saggy Ball in the house. Wait, it says distinct? Man, where does it say that? I can't read. It says distinct. They're trying to trick me, man. Alright, so then because it has to be distinct, I'm gonna go I plus 1 then. Yeah, I guess every sum is a... You can get every sum with 1. Not real, man. We don't talk about imaginary numbers here. I don't even know what an imaginary number is. Like, I learned about imaginary numbers in school, but I don't know what the hell they're for, man. Like, why the hell do we need these imaginary numbers? Yeah, it's like negative square root or something like that, but when is it useful, you know? I don't even know, man. They never taught me when it's useful. They only taught me it's useful to pass my math test. Samir here. Welcome to the party. If y'all don't know who Samir is a LeetCoder. Been doing some LeetCode these last few weeks. My friend took real analysis and tried to explain it to me. Only nerds care about imaginary numbers. Yeah, I'm clearly not a nerd. Wait, you only learn why things are useful or the way they are in higher level math. They're useful in geometry, and I think they're used in computer graphics. Think. So nobody really knows what the hell you use imaginary numbers for. They're useful in engineering? Oh, maybe that's why I know about them, man. I swear, I learned a lot about imaginary numbers, but I don't know where I use them. Some tricks in competitive programming with a complex number class in C++. Ever heard of Fourier transform? Man, we're just talking about those like last stream, Brett. I I mean the slow ones or the fast ones, but I've only heard about those things. I haven't. I actually don't know what it is. And probably imaginary use cases. Glump is in the house. Quantum mechanics uses them too. Well, I also don't know what the hell quantum mechanics is. I know, like, obviously I've heard the term before, but if you said explain what quantum mechanics is, I'm like, man, I don't know. Something about who knows. Anyways. Oh, Samir is also a math nerd. Imaginary numbers are used a lot in engineering for intermediate calculations. So basically we use it to transform the imaginary space to make the math easier and then convert it back to the real space. Well, interesting things. Something about something. Yeah, that's how I feel. Complex numbers are also the ideal place to study infinite series. What the heck is it? You mean like a pi or something is an infinite series? Or is an infinite series something else? Alright, we're getting too deep in the math now. So let me finish this up. Wait, I was saying if we take the number, we go to the next index, and then we have to subtract the thing from the thing. And then here we just go to the next index, but then we don't subtract anything. Alright, I think this is it. But one thing that I'm not certain is, I'm pretty sure I need to cache this, so maybe I should do that now. But man, n is so large. Can I have a dang vector that large? You know, like, is it gonna freak out, man? I think it might. So, I'm not sure. Do I even need this stuff, man? I don't even think I need to cache this. I'm just gonna let it ride and see what's up. If my calculations are correct, this should pass without having a cache. Let's see. Uh-oh. I'm not signed in. Wait, did I just lose my whole Oh. Alright, let's try it. Wait, on your leave you didn't put DP. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Q. Wait, and also you're using an AND for your lambda? Yeah, that's what I usually do. Oh, this is redefined. Jesus Christ. Big bugs everywhere. This is really overcomplicated. Wait. I guess my calculations are wrong, man. This does not work. Wait, how's this overcomplicated? Hold on. Well, I didn't do that. Bray would have let you suffer? What do you mean? Did I? Alright. I mean, it works. So you're saying it's a lot easier than this? But this wasn't hard. This was like a basic take it or leave it. It wasn't like hard to implement. But maybe you're saying these techniques are too advanced. All right, let's see what Brett did. I knew Brett had his solution in clipboard ready, man. What the heck? What does this mean? All you just gotta do is keep dividing it by 3, man. Wait, how's that work? That's what I did as well. Bobby Blue, what's happened? Turns out this is a math problem. Jeez. Write the number 3 in base. It cannot have a 2. Wait, write number in base 3. It cannot have a 2. That's some craziness. This is a good problem to get into base K bit masking and stuff. Glump, I've never even heard of base K bit masking. So I suppose that's just base on or off. But I've never heard of base K bit masking, man. That sounds like advanced techniques that might be showing up on LeetCode one day in the future. I think it's greedy. Is it greedy? I don't know. Just keep subtracting the highest power of 3 you can. Not math works too. Future Highway. Let me see what you did. So create the power of 3s. And then you just go from the largest. Interesting. You've heard of it, I think. Have you heard of binary hexadecimal? Yeah, I've heard of those things. But I haven't used it as like a bit mask thing. Have I? Yeah. So I know what a base is. I've just, yeah, base K bit masking though is a technique. Wait, either there's 1 of a power of 3 or 0 of a power of 3. But you can't have 2 of a power of 3. No, wait, I was referring to what Glump is saying. Glump was saying base, and good introduction to base K bit masking, and I was like, oh, I mean, geez, if don't defense, I've never heard of it. Maybe it's just something, a different name. People with a background in math are like ninjas in these types of problems. Yeah, well, I don't know if they're ninjas, they're like mathematicians, man. My voice is robotic? Wait, who? Robot. Microphone check. Alright, how do I sound now? Alright, something I just had to plug out my audio interface. Thank you. I gotta do something about that, man. Sometimes it doesn't work correctly. Urban Wolfie, what's happening? So I see what you're saying when y'all said I was over complicating this problem. It's not that, yeah, there's a lot easier ways you can solve this. Interesting. Wait, so all I did was output each digit in base 3, and then you just can't have a 2. Let me think about why you can't have a 2. If you have a 2 in base 3, Oh, because no. You reuse that power of 3. Alright. Maybe my brain isn't big enough to understand that yet. Wait, 21 equal 2 times 9 plus 1 times 3. 2 times 9 means 9 is added twice. Oh, that's what you mean by you reuse that power of 3. That's how base... Oh. That's how base 3 works. Now I forgot how base things work, man. You should just try an exam. Alright. So, which number should I turn into base 3? I think the first time I ever got introduced to base 10 or base whatever was like 7th grade in Jamaica or something. And I don't know the last time I learned this stuff in school. Wait, try 19? Try pi? Yeah, right, pi. Alright, 19. So 19 divided by 3 is what? 6? Wait, so you put 2 down? And then... Wait, how the hell... How did I convert to base 3, man? Wait, 9... Oh, the remainder, sorry. I can't even do long division or whatever. And then this... Wait, how do you do this? 19 and base 3. You divide it by 3. And then you put the remainder. And then it's like, what do I do with this now? Is it just a 1? This is a bit embarrassing, man. But 201, I see. So I gotta put the 0 because it goes... Wait, so how is that? Clearly, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, man. Wait, continue from... Wait. Oh, yeah. You guys confusing me, man. So 19 divided by 3. Wait. Wait. Mod 3. Wait, then 6 mod 3 is 0. Alright. Man, I should know this, right? I just lost a bunch of street cred. That's 100% real facts right there. So he's saying... Alright, if I were to program it, this is what I would do. So instead of just doing binary is 2, I just do the mod. Or whatever this is, you know. And then this is how you do it, right? I'm not tripping because maybe I just can't do math the traditional way and I can only do programming math now. So now I have to think like a dang robot, because that's what I am. So 19. You have totally merged with the computer. It seems so, Brett. So you take the mod. Yes, yes. And then now this is just gonna be 1, and then n is now 6. So then 6 mod 3 is 0. So pen that. Right? And then it's 2, because 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then 2 mod 3 is 2, and there we go, 102. Thank you very much for the lesson in how to convert something to base K. Even though I feel like I already knew it, I just had a brain fart or something. And you reverse it, yes, and you reverse it. So 201, which I think 201, right. So yeah, so when there's a 2 in the base 3, what we're saying is we use a power of 3, that power of 3 multiple times. So in this case, this power of 3 is just gonna be, what place is this? The 3's place? No. I don't know. But it means we use that power of 3 multiple times. Anyways, I think I got it, man. Thank you very much. All right. Are y'all ready for what we're gonna do today? Oh, the places are, yes, the powers of 3. Right? So like, this was 19, so this would be the 9's place, this would be the 3's place, this would be the 1's place. So then 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 0 is 0, and this is 1, and you add these up and you get 19. And then the reason why we're looking for a 2 is because if we use, this means we use this power of 3 more than once when the question is saying it wants distinct powers of 3. It makes 100% complete sense as like why your solution works, Brett. So thank you very much for sharing that, and thank you everyone for guiding me through that one. I'm pretty sure there are other people besides me who learned something from that. All right, man. So today I'm gonna be doing something I've never really done before on stream. I'm gonna be moving to my new dedicated server. So I talk about this sometimes, but I really enjoy owning, or not owning, but having my own dedicated server instead of using like AWS or whatever like that. I think it's very fun to have your own server. So I've had my dedicated server for about 7 or 8 years, maybe even 9 years. And I've been really bad at maintaining it. And it's never really given me trouble in those 9 years. But now that I'm using it again recently, so I'm using it to host my website, I'm running into a lot of weird issues. So one of the biggest issues I'm having right now is my OAuth isn't really working right, and I've found a few bugs, not with my code, but with my server configuration, like my Nginx configurations and stuff. And I think some of my things on my server are just outdated, and it's just a pain in the ass to update everything. So what I'm doing, instead of trying to update and upgrade my server, is I just got a brand new server, man, and I'm just gonna lift and shift everything to that new server manually. What are your new server specs? I'll show you. Did I just disconnect? Am I here? Is it dead? Man. Trying to reconnect, man. Am I live? All right, we're back. We're back. I don't know where you guys got cut out, but here are my server specs, man. Wait, I don't, man, what the hell is my login information, man? Yeah, I forgot my password. How the heck? Wait. Password 1, Hunter 1? Get out of here, man. Wait, what the hell was my username? I should have done this when I signed up. Alright. I just reset my password. Man, Pokemon Trainer 69? Is that what password you guys are using? Hold on, I'm trying to get my password real quick. Oh, they emailed me some bogus password. That's why. Sorry, I'm resetting my password now. And then we're gonna set up. I've never logged into this dang server, so it's brand new, man. What are they talking about here? I can't log in. Oh. Alright, we're here. I don't want to show my screen because I don't want to dox myself too much. I don't want to dox myself at all. Alright, here we go. I'm about to log in to my dang thing real quick. How do I log in, man? So I just got this server. Give me a second. I need to find out what my IP address is. Alright, here we go, man. Y'all ready? Alright, now I have to enter my password. Alright, nobody look. Oh, we're in. Alright. Brand new thing. what's the first thing I do? What's the first thing I do with my server? Probably no public private keys instead of passwords. Yeah, probably that's the first thing, man. Shut down the password entry thing and only use SSH keys. So how are we gonna do that, man? It's been a long time. Upgrade everything. Alright, we can do that. We can do that. Should I just run commands from Twitch like that? Or what? Norwegian Oiler. What's happening? Why is having password bad? Well, it's easier to brute force, I guess. Not if you have a 20 character one. Yeah, actually my password is long too, usually. Hey, what the hell are you talking about? Alright, I think I gotta do some things. Oh, you want me to hit them with the sudo on everything? Alright, let's do the SSH keys thing real quick. Man, it's super secure. It's 20 characters long, super random too. Alright, let me write that down, man. Let me write that down. Maybe I should use that password. Just hit us with the sudo. Yeah, anyways. I need... Yeah, let's do the SSH keys thing. How to log in to server, or how to set up SSH on. I do this like once a decade, man. I don't remember how to do this. Dang, Jerome. You just know all these commands off the top of your head. That's crazy, man. Hey, what are you talking about here? Should I just say okay to everything? Yeah, that look LGTM, man. Okay. Oh no. A pixel pusher sucks. I wouldn't be surprised if that was the password. Alright, so you know, to hit them with my keys right here. Man, how do I see my public key? How to see... I know how to see it, man. I just don't want to show y'all. Wait, I guess who cares if y'all see my public key, right? Nah, I'm not. I'm on Windows. Where the hell? Alright. I got it, man. I got it. Alright, I got the dang things in. I put my keys in there, man. Even if it's public, I'm not showing y'all. I will if I have to, but I don't think I have to. All right, so what's next? We gotta enable this SSH Not by password, only by keys thing. So is it this? Where's the config at? And all right, if I mess this up, we're in trouble, right? Should I check that it works before I turn it off? Probably, right? So I was gonna do a back search, but I don't want my stuff to show up, man. What's my IP? I don't want to put my dang password in, man. How do I say how to make... Wait. How do I make sure it does... What did I say I need to do? Permit... Does this root login thing work? Continue reading a little bit. Anyways, how... I gotta Google a little bit more. I think I got a different Ubuntu than that. I think I got 2204. Blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, look, I need to make a... Should I make a dang new username? Yeah, this is what I need to do. Disable password authentication. But if I mess up, man, how do I know like my SSH keys are working? How do I test that? Wait, don't, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to disable it and then now it doesn't work and I have to like reboot everything. So you're saying SSHL to link your private key to root IP? What do you mean? Like that? Or... Should I create a new user too? Probably. Anyways. Yeah, I have a SSH key already. I put the keys into my thing, into my public authorized keys, but that's all I did. I have to do this. Copy ID. Wait, let me start over, man. How do I create, like... I want to create a new account as well. ID RSA. That's what I used. Franco Demise, what's happening? I should type that for real. All right, let me type some of these things, man. I don't know what I'm doing clearly. Wait, SSH I? Is that what I have to do, man? All right, I'm gonna try that. All right, I just tried that. Let me. How do I test if it works? Man, it keeps asking me for my password. Should I just turn it off? It's like it's there must be a way to force it to use keys instead of prompting for a password anytime I try and log in, you know? Ask ChatGPT. All right, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, man. How do I force SSH to use my SSH keys instead of asking me for a password? Man, I don't want to change these things because if I can't get back in, I'm gonna have to like reset my dang thing, you know? All right, I'm gonna just hope it works. I'm just gonna do it, man. Sometimes you gotta roll the dice. I don't think it's too risky since I can just reset everything. Wait, first, I don't have pub key authentication saved, so maybe I can just put that on first, right? I'll try that first. Just keep a connection and you'll be fine. Oh yeah? Alright. I hope that's true, but let's try it. See, it's still asking me for my password. Alright, here we go, man. Which one do we hit? We hit password authentication, no. Permit root login. Should I have that? I don't know. Should I uncomment these things too? No. All right, man. Let's try that. Man, it's still asking me for a dang thing. Maybe it's... wait, when you log in, you need to specify what private key file you want to use for authentication? Are you sure? I don't have to do that with my other dedicated servers that I set up the keys for. Man, this shouldn't be taking me so long, huh? But it is. Is the private key stored in the SSH agent? I'm not sure. Max, I don't know how. Yeah, I'm on Windows. Give up, go back to AWS, man. I was never on AWS. I've done this before in the past, man. I just don't know. I don't remember what I did. But I don't remember having any difficulties. So is this what you're saying? Hit them with the eye? Man, it's still, anytime I type that, it just asks me for a password. Yeah, so I did all that, and I don't know if it works, man. So it's still asking me for the password. I don't know. Man, I don't know what to do here. So it's supposed to be easy, man. Alright, what the heck is happening? Should I use this? Public pub key authentication, yes. Should I... Which other option I said to disable? I don't even know. Do you have SSH agent installed? Config is fine. So this should work, is what you're saying. Restart SSHD instead of SSH. Man, why is it still asking me for the password, you know? When I say don't ask for password, right? Prohibit password, and then I have this password authentication, no. Man, what a waste of time this is. Usually those DigitalOcean articles are pretty good, man. Yeah, everything is weird right now. How to disable You have links, massive food. Let me see. Oh yeah, I think I was just on this article, man. Or was I? All right. You know what? Should I make a? I'm gonna follow this dang thing, but this is for old Ubuntu. I hope it works for the same version I got now. So I did all this. Follow instructions for Windows. Does they have a Windows version, man? So that, look, now they're asking for SSH key here. So maybe, what the heck is happening? So it's not working on the other, on this user, customer, or whatever. So maybe I need to create like something else. What the hell is going on there? So like right now I just logged in as root. Not me, don't worry. Sounds like you know what's up. Don't we have a local sh config file or something? Probably do. Don't defense. Let me type that out real quick. Add this to your server block. Let me see what's up with that. Alright, hold up. Hold up. So you're saying I have to configure something on my machine? Man, everything is here. Already got those things. Anyways. Well, at least I can log in with root, man. I don't know if that's good, but I need to, let me try and make a new account, man. Do they have a digital thing, Ocean Guide, how to create the SAMI account that they're talking about? Creating a new user. I'm gonna follow this guide real quick. I'm gonna just add user. I'm gonna use Simon, man. Too much to type. What's my password? Let me use a really long password. Room number. All right, so I made the new user. We hit them with this. I think I already got this stuff set up, right? Do I have to even do that stuff? Probably not. All right, looks good to me. LGTM. Then they're saying we gotta do this from my other thing. Man, what's my server IP? I don't remember. See, alright, look, now it's asking me for a dang password, but I wanted to use my keys, you know? Am I tripping right now? So how come it's only using my keys for roots? From your server, do... What's that for? Did I get my IP? Or what? I already got my IP. Oh, maybe this is why, probably. Because SSH keys are in the root thing. Maybe. Should I just copy this? Alright, so let me try that. They're saying I just do that, man? How do I do this? Wait, do I need to change ownership for that stuff, or who cares? I don't know how anything works, man. Alright, let me try this one more time. Still asking for my dang things. Wait. How do you see all the details? Ellis AL. Alright, how do I change? Is it like this? Oops. Can I hit them with the R? Alright. So maybe I have to like also restart the SSH stuff. Can I do it on this one, man? Or this one? I'm gonna do both of them. Oh, finally! It only took like an hour plus to get this dang thing working, man. Jesus Christ. Alright, what's next? Jesus Christ. Don't defense wants to do a little type racer. I guess we can do type racer real quick. Don, what's happened? LeetCode? What you talking about, man? Alright, real quick type racer. What server are you building? It's just a dedicated server. I'm just trying to set it up to run all my projects from. Yeah, Nginx. That's the only thing I know I'll be running. Nginx. I'm gonna try and do Coolio or Coolify, whatever it's called. And then just host like my Docker images. Need SSL? Yeah, eventually. Like, probably with certbot or something. Alright, type racer, real quick. First race, warm up, second race, championship round. Y'all ready? Camera's amazing, thank you. It's a Sony ZV-E1. Dang, 118. Fast, don't defense. Passed out at my desk? Q Ultimus. Passed out at your desk? Dang. It's crazy. Well, just in time for the Type Racer Championship round. No, that was just the warm-up, Pixel Pusher. Don't you worry. This championship round is coming up right now. I'm never gonna time that fast. Yeah. Wait, it was a championship? Nah. That wasn't a championship round. You're kind of trying to gaslight me, man. That was a regular round, man. Right? That was, yeah, for sure it was. Why would I believe that lie, man? Anyways, here we go. The championship round is about to begin. Pixel Pusher is here. Man, this is so annoying. What an annoying passage to type. Pixel Pusher 148. Yeah, so many remote corners. Dang. Yeah. Alright, Pixel Pusher 148. Are you a C++ programmer? I am. So this is what on my dedicated server that I'm setting up now, I'm gonna move this website over to it, midnightsimon.com. I thought I would have made more progress than this by now, but that's how it goes, man. Alright, Pixel Pusher, latest champion with 148 miles per hour. Alright, what's next? So we got the dang user account things working. What else do we need to do? Wait, what? Stop what you're doing, go to GitHub, search for Command and Conquer source files, and update the game engine to make it work with the latest hardware. What do you mean, man? I used to play a lot of Red Alert when I was younger, but it's been a long time. Red Alert was, yeah, I played so much Red Alert, man. It's probably the most played game in my childhood. Maybe. Alright. Let's get Nginx onto this dang server. How do you install Nginx, man? Do I have to hit them with this stuff? Or this? Check that out. What's that? Command and Conquer Remastered. Wait, you're saying because I'm a C++ programmer, you want me to go in here and, and make everything work? Man, I do C++ stuff, but I don't know anything about C++ for real, you know? I only make, like, big tech C++. I don't know anything about game dev C++. Man, look how big those spaces are. That looks so ugly, man. Using a big ass tab like that. Ugh. Dang, look at that too. The dang open squiggly line on its own line. I hate that so much, man. This is the most annoying thing to me, is seeing this dang squiggly line on its own line. Such a waste of things. Anyways. Agreed. Yeah, you know who used to do this? Q Ultimus used to put his things on a own line like that. Oh, look, they're so inconsistent, man. Or, okay, I guess for functions, they put it on its own line. But then for like if statements, they don't. Or something. I guess that seems to be how they do it there. Always put the squiggly line on the new line. All of them, I think. All right, having the functions do it, I guess that probably looks okay. But if you're putting the if ones and all that other stuff, the else ones, does that mean wait, if does that mean your dang if else statements would look something like this? If something else something man, that looks so crazy. Like, that's wrong? Yeah, that looks so wrong. Or you mean you put the else's on its own thing like that? Dang, Q, you used to do this? That looks insane, man. This is the most craziest thing I've ever seen somebody say they do. Anyways. I'm using PHP Storm with automatic code reformatting. But can't you configure that? Or maybe in PHP. I've seen some PHP, and I think it does look like this, man. Anyways, we gotta make some progress here. I haven't done shit. Let me try and at least get the website running on this new thing. So install Nginx, yeah. Wait, what? Somebody said my version of Nginx is old. But, how do I see what the latest version is? That must be the latest, yeah? Always use the version that comes with APT. Alright. Even though, wait, these are legacy? So, man, it goes up to... They got me on 18. 5 years ago, man. But they're talking about they got stable stuff out, you know? Why is that? Is that a problem? Oh, you know, they also say we can do... Should I upgrade everything? I'm gonna do whatever this is. I don't know what that said, but if everything breaks, I guess we'll figure it out, man. Yeah, so I was gonna do all this stuff offline because I don't think it makes for very great content. Just watching me struggle trying to set up this server. But Don't Defense says he wanted to see me do this live, so here I am trying to do this live. Struggling is great content. Alright, I'm gonna just hit yes. Update my junk. If I didn't work so hard in a day, wouldn't be passing out all the time. Dang. Alright, what are y'all talking about, man? Duprius, what are you saying? You don't agree with Jerome? Jerome's been quite helpful so far, you know. Don't use Nginx at Google? Man, I don't know what the hell people use at Google. I don't work on anything front end. Alright. Yeah, I work on strictly back-end infrastructure stuff. We don't really see much front-end action. Always use the version. Isn't Nginx backend? It depends on what you define backend as. I think for maybe a large company like Google, all the front end stuff means like anything related to a front end. I don't even know how to explain it, man. The front end is where requests enter our Google systems, you know, which it doesn't necessarily mean front end like what's on the client browser. It means, you know, all the product based stuff that's kind of like front end things. Even if you're on the API of a thing that talks to like the front end, it's considered front end, I think. User facing, yeah, maybe that's the more accurate term, pixel pusher. I'm not very good at articulating my thoughts. Unless you have a specific use case for a particular version. Yeah, so I think they're giving me that old version because I was on an old version of Ubuntu. So maybe now that I'm doing the upgrade, it will recommend me to use a newer version of Ubuntu because maybe the newer versions aren't compatible with the version that I'm currently running, you know? So I do think maybe APT knows what's best. Which version of Ubuntu was installed? Man, who knows? I don't know. Let's see. Where does it say? 2204.3? Or something? Uh-oh. Alright, which one should I choose? Keep the version. That's a LTS version. Alright, so what the hell am I upgrading right now? I don't even know what I'm doing, man. I just saw them tell me like to type that command in. Where the hell is it? Who knows where it was? Ubuntu version doesn't matter. If you run the sudo apt update, it will update the package indexes that give info on the latest versions. The VPS didn't have them updated in a long time. Well, I know for sure I'm no Ubuntu or Linux expert, man. I just barely get by. I get by copy and pasting commands that I find on DigitalOcean articles. I've been using DigitalOcean for like a decade, man. Uh-oh. Oh, a restart is required. That's cool. Alright, how long does this thing take to restart, man? Should we try and log in? I hope it works. I hope I didn't just mess up everything. Alright, how long? You want to SSH into your user with the SSH keys earlier? Wait, what? Yeah. But I got the SSH thing working. I had the authorized keys weren't in the user directory, but now they should be. They were like in the root directory or whatever. Man, you think I messed up my server, man? I hope not. Serpent Cody, what's happened? It's been a while since I visited DigitalOcean's articles. AI cuts time. Yeah, sometimes I don't know if AI is tripping, you know? So I gotta go straight to the source. Oh, we're back in business, man. Okay, so what are we doing here? Should I run? What are those commands you tell me to run? To update? That's what you say I should run, Jerome? What are you talking about, man? You already updated everything? Alright. So I don't need to run this. Alright, so now that I did that whole update thing, do you think I'll get like a newer version of Nginx or no? How do I check? Oh, look at that. Newer version. Very good, very good. We're in business for sure now. Alright, what's the next thing I want to do, man? The next thing I want to do is Docker stuff or certbot maybe. K8s, I don't know anything about that stuff, man. Yeah, certbot. I'm running Nginx on, I don't know, just hit them with that. What are you doing? I'm setting up a brand new dedicated server, and then I'm moving the dedicated, or I'm moving the website, this website that's hosting on a different dedicated server to this new one that I'm setting up. That's what I'm doing. So I guess it's a bare metal server. It's not a VPS. It's like I'm renting it from a data center. All right. Well, I need to set up my Nginx stuff because I don't even have anything. I need to transfer my images out here, but I also wanted to use this server for like Coolify. I don't really know much about Coolify, but Coolify is supposed to be like some open source junk that helps you to manage your server a little bit more efficiently. So should we like read how this dang thing works? Or is it too much, man? Should I like worry about this another time? Does anybody use Coolify here? Or know about Coolify? It's got 37,000 stars on GitHub. So that means it must be pretty good, right? Coolify makes the setup easy to run your projects. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for, I guess. Because like right now I don't have a great way to deploy my website, so I have to like do this whole manual process of running a bunch of stuff to build my Docker images, and then I have to like upload them individually to the server or something. Duprius, do you use Coolify? You think it's worth it? I don't know if I'm like overcomplicating things. Have used it in the past. So we have a dedicated server. Alright, I'm gonna try it, man. I'm gonna try it out. I got like an hour and 10 minutes left before I gotta end stream. So let's see how far we can get with this thing. I don't think I'll get very far, man. This is probably gonna carry on into Wednesday. Instantly register account on the URL. Oh wait, someone's trying to steal my thing. Should I not hide that? Or I mean, should I hide that? If you scroll down, there's a caution banner. Oh lordy. Wait, what the heck? I might have to kill my server, man. Because they don't even give me the dang link. I guess it's doing some stuff. Let me just hide that part of the screen until it's ready. You guys gonna take over my server? Come on now. Alright, anybody stole my thing? I just registered, man. We just registered for the Coolify thing. Before anybody registered before me, you know. So let's get started. What is Coolify? Coolify is an all-in-one application to automate tasks on your server. Deploy applications with Git integrations, deploy databases and services, monitor these resources with notifications and alerts without a vendor lock-in. Very cool. So, all right. Do you have your own SSH private key? Yes. Create a private key? I already got a private key, man. Oh, I have to put in the private key details here. All right, nobody look. Nobody look. All right. Let me get that thing. Let me make sure you guys can't see. All right, where is my... Where's my damn window I just had open? Create private key. All right. Private key is invalid. What are you talking about, man? This key ain't invalid, man. Private key is invalid. Hold on. We got problems here. Want to know something else? You can watch Twitch without an ad blocker and see a single ad. Get an AWS VPS install, open VPN servers connected, and you won't have ads because Twitch thinks you're in AWS. Interesting. It's a lot of work for no ads. Wait, follow the steps on the site. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, but so I'm using my private key, but maybe you're saying I should just make a new private key. Could be that private key is RSA and not ECDSA. Oh, maybe. Is that a requirement? Yes, it is. Maybe you're right. All right, all right, all right. Follow these steps manually. Have I already done this? Wait, wait, wait. Check all SSH keys again. Alright, I'm just gonna create a new dang key. Wait, no, no. I don't want to use their dang keys. I must be able to use my dang already have my SSH key. Alright, let me try one more time, man. Sorry. I really don't know what I'm doing, man. But I'll figure it out eventually. Hopefully. He clicks on remote server. You have to click on local host. Oh, so I see what you're saying. Yeah, I did click on remote. So you're saying local host means local as in the server. Oh yeah, I should have read that things, man. So I don't need no dang keys in that case. I need to read the dang manual more closely. All right, what a waste of time, man. Thank you very much. You have a lot of succulents. What does that mean? What? Anyways. So, all right, we got this coolify stuff. Let's try and make a project for my website. And let's try and run this. Oh, the plants. Are they real? Absolutely not. No way I could keep those things alive. They're as fake as it comes. Bought them at Michael's. All right, now we got the project. How do we work this thing? So I have some Docker images, man. How can I just upload the Docker file or something, you know? Or the Docker image. That's what I'd really like to do. But I don't know how to do that. So I'm gonna just click it. How? I need a registry though. How the hell do I put my Docker image in a registry? Should I ask? From Docker file, can I do that? But where's it gonna get the image from? Hold on. Where the hell were we? I lost it. Alright, here we are. Yeah, see, like, let me show you, man. These are my Docker file or my Docker images. I'm trying to put these up into Coolify, but I don't have them. I don't have those images anywhere except locally, you know. So how do I get them somewhere? Docker Hub registry. Maybe I need a whatever this is. Docker Hub? Do I gotta pay for Docker Hub? Do I have Docker Hub? I don't know, man. Let me try and sign in with my Gmail. Somebody took my username. That must have been me then. Alright, I gotta hide my screen one more time, man. One more time. Docker Hub. Apparently I do have an account. And I got a password too. I'm trying to log into that account. All right. All right, we're inside the dang thing. Jerome VIP. See you later. Greetings from Caribbean island of Curacao. Dang, I've never even met anybody from Curacao, man. Thank you very much for tuning in, Jerome. Have a good night. Sounds dangerous to swim at night though, if it's in the ocean. All right, so I'm in this Docker Hubs thing. How the hell do I do this, man? You can create a repository in Docker Hub. Yeah, Docker Hub, go. I need to watch the basics. I'm not trying to watch anything though, man. Create a repository. Yeah, let's do that. This is called Midnight Projects. What kind of Docker images do I have? I have a few. Let me show you them real quick. So I got my remix image, that has my like server side backend stuff. I got my Hono backend. I got this bot thing that doesn't really work. Or the LeetCode online checker checks for Twitch streamers who are online who stream LeetCode. And then this algo tracker doesn't really work, so it's just these three images really. Alright, I'm gonna make this a private repository. Alright, we got that going on. So how do I do this now? Docker push a new tag. I just want to know how to push something to the repository. What is a tag? Is a tag just copy the name and using Coolify? No, I didn't push anything yet, man. I'm trying to figure out how I'm brand new to Docker. I don't do any of this stuff ever, man. So I'm like trying to figure things out as I go. So use Docker push. All right, let me try. So I have Docker desktop here. But wait, let me build the latest things. I don't even know if they're up to date, you know. The most important thing, I guess, just these three images I care about right now. So I'll try and get these up on Docker. We got 52 minutes left before I gotta go. And this is gonna have to continue on Wednesday. But we're making slow progress, man. It's been, man, we're already on the 3rd month for the new year. I feel like I need to pick up my pace. I haven't really done much this year, it feels like, at least. Alright, so we just built that one. I'm gonna build this one. Or should I just push one of them to see if it works? Haven't rolled a single die. Icy Black Deep. What's happening, man? Yes, this weekend we'll roll some dice for the LeetCode contest, I guess. Docker image push. Give me an example. What the hell is all this, man? Each of your Docker image should be in a separate repository. Dinosaur official. Dang, is that how it works? But I can only have, it only gives me one private repository. So I can't just push all of them. Dang. Alright. I hear you, man. That might complicate things for me. Should I just try and run this command and see what's happening? Image does not exist locally with this tag. Alright, Dinosaur Official. I hear what you're saying. So, are you saying it's impossible to do all this? Download the Docker extension. Alright, I'll see what's up with that. Apparently I already got it, man. Or wait, which Docker extension? There seems to be a lot. Open it on the left. Oh, this thing? Dang, I've never even opened this before. Oh, snap. It's my first time. All right. So I see. So you're saying I just, how do I get them here? I just drag them, push them, run them, pull them, push them. Wait, so Dinosaur Official. What would happen if I tried to push more images to this one repository? Wait, technically, repository contains images and you can push multiple images. But have never seen a repository with different applications. It's usually maintained with tags. Tags equal version. I see. So this is like, maybe it's possible to do what I'm doing, but it's just like an anti-pattern. Wait, did I just push it? Something happened. Wait, what the hell is this then? Oh, so it just creates a brand new repository for me. Is that good? Is that bad? Whatever, right? Let's just roll with it. So, alright, I need that one. I also need... Man, which one was it? Must be this one. I think I should delete that one. And then this one too. Wait, how do I know if it worked? Oh, input at the top. Yes, yes. Thank you. I'm a little bit blind. All right, one more. So the LeetCode online checker, push that. All right, what's next? What's next, man? So I go to my Coolify thing. And then I don't know what to do. Projects. Add a new resource. Docker compose. All right, I can't show you my Docker compose thing, man. It's top secret. So let me hide my screen. I already have a compose file on my other server, my old server. So I'm logging into my old server and I'm just gonna grab that Docker compose file. Wait, you should be able to use a Docker image now with the tag. All right. Yeah. But with the tag. 1 second. I don't know what I just did, man. Oh man. Nothing worked. Alright, how do I specify? Sorry, I know I don't have my screen up. One second. Alright, when you add a resource, there's an option for a Docker image. In that input field, just put the tag of the Docker image you just pushed. Wait, I just did something. I don't know what I just did, man. So I'm trying to go in here. Add a tag? What's all this stuff? New resource? Should I try it? Alright, so I tried to hit them with the Docker compose, but I'm not sure if I did it correctly. Because maybe let's delete that one. What's wrong with it? Uh-oh. I mean, I'm gonna just press the button and see what happens. Denied. Docker login. Alright. How do I log into my Docker thing? Let me see what those errors are. Alright, I guess my repositories are incorrect. So how do I get the right Docker compose? Let me see what a file would look like. Alright, so you say this is where the image, the tag goes there. But what the hell was my tag, man? How do I know what my tags are? Are these my tags? Copy full tag. Let me see what that full tag looks like. Oh, I see. So I have to hit them with the full tag there. I'm gonna try that real quick. Wait, where the hell is my thing? Shebang, what's happening? One second, I'll share my screen shortly. Duprius, thank you very much for all the help. Have a good night, man. Thank you for tuning in. If you need to log in Docker on that system, just run Docker login from the terminal and Coolify should pick it up from there. Alright, I'll do that for sure. Thank you so much. Hopefully we can get this running soon, man. That would be great. Alright, LeetCode online checker. And then algo tracker. Man, my algo tracker doesn't even work, so should I even push it? I guess. It's uploading. And then we'll see if this Docker Compose stuff on Coolify works. I'm sure there's gonna be other issues, man. 100% sure there's gonna be other issues. But I think this will make my life a little bit easier going forward, you know? Oh, no condom, Chris. What's happening, man? Oh, look at that, man. We're deploying it. It's doing some things, man. We're doing big things out here with Coolify. Let's see if it works, though. Well, nothing is gonna work because I don't even have the Nginx set up, you know? But at least it's like deploying the images without me having to do all that weird stuff before. Interesting, man. Very good, very good. So they say everything is started. How do I check? Well, no, everything is broken. No, it's running. Look at that. I don't know why these are tripping right there. unhealthy. Yeah, right. How have I never heard of Coolify before? I have something new to play with this weekend. Shebang. That's very cool, man. Yeah, I don't know where I heard about this from, but anyways, let's do Type Racer. I'm not a big fan of like AWS and stuff like that. Yeah, I know it's like scalable and whatnot, but man, that shit costs so much money. But these days, I guess I don't really use that much power. But in the past, when I used to freelance and things, AWS was just like at least 10x the price of just having a dedicated server, you know? At least 10x. But if you don't have any traffic, I guess AWS is cheaper because you only pay for like one core, you know? Which is my case. I don't have any traffic. But maybe one day I might. Alright, here we go. Type Racer. First race, warm-up. Second race, championship round. Oh, dang. I missed the YouTube. Trey Brown. Sorry. I don't even know if you're still around, man. Do I use React? Did you? Yeah, I use React. Alright, warm-up and then championship. Let's go. Man, what the hell did I just type? Tankuru from YouTube. How are you doing, man? Welcome to the party. Am I a full stack dev? I don't think I would call myself a full stack dev, man. I'm a C++ backend programmer, but I'm like an amateur full stack dev. But professionally, I am not, you know? I just typed a lot of letters at the wrong time. Thanks, 67. Man, Icy Black Deep. Oh, look at that. Best race 101 miles per hour. Crazy. We gotta get your numbers up. Icy. Alright, this is the championship round. Here we go, man. Pixel Pusher is in the house. Get ready to get steamrolled. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Man. Pixel Pusher 167. Really fast, dang. I beat Six Pack Sexy, aka No Condom Chris. Q with the 116. And Icy Black Deep 75. Shebang 85. No contest. Yeah, 167. Not the fastest for Pixel Pusher, but pretty fast, man. Alright, let me add that to the thing. What the hell am I doing? Wait, how much? 167, right? What am I typing on these days? I'm typing on a Bubble 75. Oh, Q, by the way. I haven't shipped your keyboard out, but tomorrow I'm doing it. I didn't go into the office today, man. So that's where I was going to ship it from. But I'm going to do it tomorrow. Don't you worry. And you should probably have it by the end of this week, your keyboard. I'm also making a little YouTube video about the keyboard. So I think it'll be pretty cool. We'll see how it looks though. Okay, where did we leave off for this Docker stuff, man? It has, I don't know, I don't even know how to test this. Maybe I gotta configure my Nginx on the server. Let me getting in here and see what's up, man. Which one? Did they all close on me? This one. What are my Nginx? How do I even configure the Nginx stuff, man? Hold up. Alright, man. Copying up my old Nginx configs real quick. Man, hold on. Do I even need to change anything here? Go, man. All right. What am I doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Sorry. All right, how the hell do I work Nginx now? So I gotta do this. I forgot how Nginx works, but I think I gotta make something in sites available. I didn't even put certbot up, man. I wonder if I should just delete these things for now and then have certbot like fix them after, you know. Whatever. Oops. Jesus Christ. And then how do you do link? Is it like that? I'm gonna just Google the command. Nginx sites available S. That's what I did. Sites available to look at the answer, not the question. Wait, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? The answer. Oh, those things. I mean, I just want to know the command. I already know what I gotta do, you know. Sites enabled. That's what I'm trying to do. And then is it restarts? Or is it like reload? I don't even know. He was asking because the command is wrong? Nah. I don't, maybe. I can tell his problem. His problem is he didn't put the fully qualified name. Like, you gotta put etc slash whatever, right? Probably. Because I've run into that problem a lot in the past, man. When I was beginning out. Anyways. I don't know if that worked. But it's almost time for me to go. How can I tell if things are just kind of working, you know? Alright, Nginx ain't working, man. Wait, the test is successful. Let me see that config. Hold on, sudo Mateo. I don't have anything crazy on it. I added these things. Well, that's it. Douche! What's happening? Thank you very much for that hydrates. Cheers. Wait, what the hell did it say? Conflicting something? Do I delete that default one? Or what? Default one doesn't even have anything on. I don't know what's happening, man. What does that mean? It's commented? Yeah. You have a server block in the other config. Let me check that out. Like this one you're talking about? This one is just including the sites enabled. Maybe you're saying this is, I should just delete this whole thing. Yeah, maybe all that other stuff Certbot put in there fixed it, you know. How can I tell that it's working though? Because clearly something ain't right. Alright, let me run that. It's on. Right? Nothing is being accessed. And I don't know about these errors, man. So I'm going like directly to the thing. Oh, you know what? You know what's the problem? Wait. That's the dang problem, man. Look at that. Starts to work now, huh? Pro, yeah, right. Alright, so further configuration is required. How the hell, what did I do wrong here? So it does all of this. And then what? And it includes my sites enabled. Which is here. Oh, but that's because I have these server name things, but it's not coming from there, so it's not going to do anything. And I'm not ready to point the thing here yet. So how can I say everything instead of, can I just be like all? Oops. Let me see what that does. Nginx server name. Can I just take out the server name? Or maybe it's the default thing. Yeah, this one. Maybe I just need to... Yes, clearly this one is getting triggered. So, can I just delete the link in sites enabled? And then I don't know if I have to reload Nginx or restart Nginx, man. I always do both. But then now, oh, it's working a little bit. Now it's actually pointing to my thing, but application error because, oh, how can I look at my logs? Can I look at that through Coolify? For Docker, like my Docker logs. I want to get, man, why are there like two different things up here? I don't know which one to use. Uh-oh. Not found. So a bunch of things not found. Anyways, it's almost time for me to go, but I guess we've made a little bit of progress here. This is a LeetCode hard. This is a LeetCode too hard, man. Chi-Chi Impacts. Long time no see. I hope everything is going well, man. How are you doing? I'm out here trying to do web dev stuff, and it ain't looking too good for me. My stream today? Well, if you wanna go on right now, let me know, because I'm about to end in a few minutes. Oh, Pseudo Mateo, thank you very much for tuning in, man. See you next time. So what the hell is going on here? Address not found. Oh, that sounds like some Docker compose stuff, man. Because I have these defined in the Docker compose for those addresses, you know. Oh, Pat's Hello World is also in the house. Alright, let's try and figure this out, man. Should I trust a -1 answer? Probably not. Yeah, so I created the dang network things. Anyways, I have a feeling this is gonna be a Wednesday issue to figure out, man. But I guess Making slow progress towards this new server. Anyways, I don't know what to do now. I'm just clicking buttons. What is this? Connect to predefined network. Other, I don't know what that means, but it looks like something is going on with my networking. I don't have the energy to figure it out right now though. I wish, should I just click it and see what happens? Also, why is this stuff like up here? Can I just delete them? Delete. Did I delete that? Alright, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna just delete these ones that don't work. Oh man. I don't want to go to work tomorrow. I don't want to go, man. I feel like to quit, but everything's too chill to quit. I don't know how I'd make money if I quit. So I'm not gonna quit, but I would like to. Alright, how are these unhealthy? Paulo Franklin's. I just quit mine today? Dang. What drove you to quit? Do you have something lined up? Money is good. Money is alright. Yeah. Money is good when you don't have it. I guess when you have a little bit of it, it's alright. And when you have a lot of money, I guess it becomes, I don't know, some people want even more money. But I think if I had a lot of money, I wouldn't care about trying to get more. Just tired of the EV industry. Were you, wait, so you're EV as in electric vehicles? Were you working on like Teslas or something like that? So, alright. Why the hell isn't, why the hell isn't it working, man? We gotta figure it out. Zooks AV. Zooks. I don't know what that is. It's fancy. That is some fancy stuff. So what are you gonna do now? You just looking for a new job? Trying to chill? retired, doing your own thing, startup, career change, you know. Dang, I should just connect like that? That's crazy. What the hell is this app thing? So like, it claims it's working, but when I go to my website, we just get the error, you know. And the error is the address is not found because wait, localhost 3030 is not found. Or this is not found. I don't know what to do, but retire, I wish. Wait, you don't know what you're about to do. Dang. So you just quit without anything lined up. Interesting. You must really hate that dang job that you had. Alright, we gotta figure this dang Docker stuff out, but it's gonna have to get figured out another day. We're getting close. I think I know what's happening. It's because of the Docker compose. I define like these things, but it looks like it doesn't know how to resolve the stuff. Wait, what is this? Is the front end. I don't know what this is. Man, I think I deleted. I should just delete everything and start again. That's what I think I should do, man. Nah, but they're all running. Look at that. Oh, yeah, so this app is the Hono stuff. Anyways, time to end it. I'll debug this another time. Who we gonna raid? Dang, a lot of people are on. Where's Chi-Chi at? Chi-Chi said he was about to go stream. Or Pat's hello world, where you at, man? Nobody's going on. Hit one of these people. Or we could hit a web dev person. I don't know. General Chow's Giraffe. Let's go. Oh, snap. Hey, why the hell my dang... Why the hell my YouTube chat didn't refresh? Sorry, I missed all these messages, man. Why do you want to quit? I want to quit because I feel like I want to pursue some other things. But yeah, it was like a dream of mine for a while, but I've been here for about 3 years now, and I'd like to not work at a big tech company one day, and I'd like to figure out how I can feed myself without having to have one of these big tech companies feed me. But anyways, I gotta get out of here. It's time for not bed, but it's time to stop streaming. Be your own boss for real. Yeah, I guess so. But I just want to create something that I can say I actually created or I built. I feel right now I'm just kind of at Google, but I haven't really done anything too much. And I think Google done everything for me, and I'm just piggybacking off of them. But I like to do my own thing, you know. How's work at Google? It's not bad. But anyways, we already started this raid. I gotta get out of here. So maybe next time we can talk about these things before we get into the details. I work at a big tech company. I feel like the dumbest person there. Yeah, me too, man. Pixel Pusher, Q Ultimus. See you later. Thank you for tuning in. Yami Marzin. Adios, amigo. Needle, or I said needle, no petter. Adios. Thank you for tuning in. And everybody out there from YouTube, have a good night. Shebang 24/7. See you later. See you guys on Wednesday, man. Icy Black Deep, Paulo Franklin's. Later, alligator. Goodbye. Good night.